Hello Slaters, welcome back to the EVS online learning module. Slaters, did you all watch the introductory video for the third EVS chapter? Nice. In that video, we had a brief introduction on what we will be learning in this chapter. As the name of the chapter suggests, we will learn about work people do. We also solved various riddles on different work that people do. We understood that they go to specific places to work. Isn't it, children? In today's video, we will be reading the chapter and understand all these topics in depth. So, Slaters, turn to page number 186 of your textbooks with the chapter Work People Do. Ready? Now let's take a look at the first riddles exercise. We already did a similar one in the introductory video. Isn't it, Slaters? So I'm sure you will be able to work on this. So the first picture is of a stethoscope and it reads, I tell you the medicines to have when you are sick. Who am I? Did you guess it, children? So, what is a stethoscope? Yes, a stethoscope is a medical device for listening internal sounds of human and animal body. And who uses it? Yes, a doctor. So, write down Doctor in the blank. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Those who don't have the textbook can write just the answers in your rough notebook. Now the second picture is of a blackboard and chalk pieces and it reads, I teach. Who am I? Who do you think this would be? Correct, it is a teacher. Now write it in the blank. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. The third picture shows a tractor and it reads, I till the land, crops so may grow. Who am I? Now, Slaters, who tills the lands and grows crops for us to eat? Yes, you got that right. A farmer. Now, write it down in the blank. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. The fourth picture shows an auto rickshaw and it reads, I drive an auto rickshaw. Who am I? Yes, it is a driver. So write down driver in the blank. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Well done, Slaters. Now let's read from the textbook. Place your finger on the text as I read. People do different kinds of work. They work as farmers, carpenters, cobblers, tailors, fruit sellers, vegetable sellers, laborers, doctors, nurses, teachers, lawyers, dancers, singers, and so on. Work helps us to earn money. We need money to buy the things we need. So, Slaters, you might have seen many of them around you, isn't it? Your school bus driver, doctor, vegetable vendors, your teachers, carpenters and tailors. So they are the people who are skilled to work on these jobs. They have attained education or a skill to perform the specific task effectively. For example, to become a doctor, a person needs to learn about the human body in detail. They learn about diseases, its cures, and they should also study the research done around the diseases. They also pass the exams and earn the degree of Doctor of Medicine in order to practice. Similarly, for drivers, they need to have a skill of driving a vehicle. They should get a license from the RTO or the Road Transport Office, after which they can start the work as a driver. The tailor stitches clothes, a cobbler mends the shoes, a laborer does manual work, and a lawyer practices law in the judicial court. So every person who works in a specific field has to attain education, knowledge and skill for working on that job. Slaters, have you ever thought what you all will become when you grow up? Which field are you interested in? You can write down 6 to 8 lines on what you would like to become when you grow up. Now Slaters, underline the new words. Those who do not have their textbooks can write the words and their meanings in a rough notebook. So underline the word different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. The word means not same as another or each other. Did you write it? Nice. Now underline the word laborer. L-A-B-O-U-R-E-R. Laborer. It means people who do manual work. Example: construction workers, house helps and cleaners. Did you write it? Well done. Now let's read about Rajan's story from the textbook and understand more about this topic. Rajan's story. Rajan is 20 years old. He started working when he was 18. He used to collect waste from houses. He was very hardworking. He would come to work every day. So Slaters, as you can understand, Rajan is a very hardworking person. He used to collect waste from every home and worked every day. Here I would like to mention, Slaters, that no work in the world is big or small. Cleaners who come to your home to collect waste are doing a big job of keeping the surroundings clean and thereby helping all of us in keeping away from a disease. Isn't it, children? Now let's read further. Mr. Patel was happy with Rajan's work. He asked Rajan to clean his car. Rajan happily took up the job. He would come every morning and clean the car. Seeing Rajan's work and his interest in cars, Mr. Patel took him to a driving school. Soon, Rajan learned driving. Now turn to the next page. One day, Mr. Patel asked Rajan to join the company he worked for as a driver. Rajan was overjoyed. Rajan still collected waste from all the houses as before. But now he does not do it alone. He has 3 others to help him. So Slaters, what can you learn from the Rajan story? Yes, you learn that no work is big or small. We should learn to work on any task with all our hearts into it. We also learned that you get more opportunities to grow when you demonstrate hard work. Isn't it, children? The teacher must be giving you responsibilities as a leader of the class when you demonstrate your hard work by studying well and behaving in the classroom. Hard work helps you in getting successful in life, isn't it? Now, Slaters, can you all tell me why Mr. Patel liked Rajan and how Mr. Patel helped Rajan? Yes, Mr. Patel liked Rajan because he was very hardworking and sincere towards his work. People who are hardworking are usually liked by all. Mr. Patel, being happy with Rajan's work and interest in cars, took him to a driving school to learn more about it. He also offered a job of driver in his organization. Isn't that a nice thing to do, children? But Slaters, even after getting a job, Rajan did not stop his job of collecting waste from homes. Do you think he should leave this job now? No. He is very hardworking and no work is big or small. So it is okay that Rajan continues with his earlier work along with some assistance. Isn't it, Slaters? So Slaters, we end our session with this. I would request you all to work on the worksheets that will be sent to you for this chapter. Also, write down 6 to 8 lines on what you would like to become when you grow up. I will meet you again in the next online session. We will continue with the chapter. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.